In this video we're explaining how PLUs work. So in simple terms, a PLU is an individual product. So we've already discussed these categories. So for example, if we were stationers, one of these categories would be pens. So we would have department 1 as pens, and that would group all our sales of pens together. Now PLU is slightly different. So a PLU is an individual product. So again, using the pens analogy, what we might find is a blue pen might be number 12, a red pen might be number 13, and so on. So this gives you the ability to be able to preset the till with individual products. Now it's very limited on this machine, 99 to 200 PLUs. So it's only really used in certain environments where you've got, say, for example, a small product base of say 30 or 40 items is the normal. And you have to program these. So I've pre-programmed one of these with number 12. So the way this system works is, as you've seen before, if I put in 199 and press a category, it will sell it and put it into that group. So the other way of doing it is by, as I mentioned before, I've pre-programmed one. If I've pre-programmed number 12 in this case, so number 12, so I enter 12 and PLU, and here you can see it straight away sells the product for 199 by just pressing the 12 PLU. This is also applied it into the correct category, and we'll go on to the programming side of it. But as I said, it's only really suitable for people that have small product bases of, around about 100 products, because it starts to get manageable to control. But for the right environment, you can use PLUs, and then you can actually see how many blue pens against red pens you've sold by using the PLU system, where if it was all going into the pens department, you would have a total for the pens, but you wouldn't know how many red or blue. So that's the point of PLUs, but it has very limited use. In the next video, which is CL213, if you want to search for that, we'll show you how to program those PLUs. Thanks for watching this video.